Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jaguar F-Pace headlight bulb. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's engine is off and completely cool. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a pair of clean gloves, and the correct replacement bulb. It is important to know that some modern LED headlight units are sealed and may require replacing the entire assembly, not just a bulb. Now, let's get to the bulb. To gain better access, turn your front wheels fully inward. You may need to remove a few screws or clips securing the wheel well liner. Once these are out, gently pull back the liner to reveal the rear of the headlight assembly. This step provides the space needed to work on the bulb without removing the entire headlight unit. With the assembly exposed, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Next, you'll typically need to release a retaining clip or twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. When installing the new bulb, handle it only by its base. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Secure the new bulb by reversing the removal process. After the new bulb is securely in place, reattach the electrical connector. Carefully push the headlight assembly back into position and replace any screws or clips you removed from the wheel well liner. Before fully buttoning everything up, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it functions correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.